come a little bit closer, a little bit closer. You know what I'm about to say. Drink yourself some water. Some of y'all pee is yellower and oranger than orange Kool-Aid. We hear it all the time and still don't drink it. All of y'all that's sitting out there right now is like, if I hear one more time she say drink some more water, why you ain't drinking it? You keep hearing it and you know you need to drink it. Drink the doggone water. Put the soda down, drink the water. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Nina, and I'm super excited to have y'all here with me today. I'm trying to find more awesome ways to get y'all involved with this weight loss tip. A lot of questions come in about it, and I just want to make sure I keep it absolutely 100% real. Losing 108 pounds and keeping it off, it's almost 14 years now. I will say it has been tough, but there's a lot of things that I found that work tried and true no matter what the season is. A lot of y'all asking me, how can I lose a few extra pounds? What are some sneaky, easy ways I can do it? Some of y'all be talking about you don't want to work out, you don't want to do none of that, you really don't want to change what you're eating. Let me tell you, you don't want to lose weight. You're gonna have to make some necessary changes to your daily habits, and it doesn't take very long, y'all. Some of these things I still use in my day-to-day practices that have really kept me healthy, happy, overall my body in harmony. So today we're gonna talk about those sneaky tips and tricks that really work for weight loss, and especially with the summer right around the corner, baby, we need to make sure we fly and fine. All the items I talk about today can be found down below in the information section.
And y'all, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it, comment, share, and subscribe. And also click on those notification bells so you can know when I upload on Thursdays and Sundays. Make sure you also check out my Now That's Life podcast, which is now live, and you can check it out on all your major podcasting platforms. Links to my podcast can be found down below in the information section.
Number one is to make your first meal your largest. Y'all know I've done intermittent fasting, so my first meal might not be until the afternoon. But those of you all that eat your bigger meals with your first meal, like breakfast or things like that, you're gonna find that your waistline stays most snatched. That's in comparison to those who eat a larger dinner. Those who eat like a king and queen during their first meal are likely to have better blood sugar control, healthier hormone regulation, more energy for their work and their workouts, and much sharper brain power or cognitive function. If you start off with a big jolt for your first meal, you're gonna have a better control of your body throughout the day. Your body knows what to expect. It's going to take those calories and kind of savor them throughout the day, which is gonna balance everything out for you. So like me, plan for your day the night before or plan the morning of to have things you can grab and go. The biggest things I plan for in that first meal is fiber, protein, and hydration. Just eat the most in that first meal, and I guarantee you that, I ain't gonna say guarantee now, but that waistline gonna get snatched. Limit all that variety, at least temporarily. A lot of y'all out here talking about, I can't lose weight because I need to make sure I have a lot of things in my diet. Believe me, I understand. Sometimes your body needs time to adjust, to grow, to learn the ropes, to learn what works best for you and to learn what doesn't work best for you. You all have seen in the past that I stick with some of the same dishes and some of the same ways of eating and living daily. I like intermittent fasting, low carb, keto. I like low or no rice, bread, sugar, or pasta. While this keeps my body guessing sometimes if I add it back in, it also gets my body used to certain things that keep me my healthiest. There was actually a study done over in France that found that participants that had more choices in sauces like barbecue sauce, mayo, mustard, whatever it was that they wanted with their fries, they ate more the more choices that they had to choose from. More choices make us more likely to overeat. And other studies have also found that eating a diet limited in variety actually adds to you losing pounds. You might be helping your waistline by bringing it down just a notch. Of course, we love the cardio, but please start lifting them weights. It helps to build muscles, burn more calories, and up your metabolism. Cardio, on the other hand, increases your heart rate. It gets you moving, your blood pumping, all of that in order to increase that heart rate. Cardio also helps you to strengthen your heart and lungs overall. People love that cardio, but one thing about resistance training is it's amazing because while you're at rest, like literally when you're laying down, when you're sleeping, while you're just chilling, that resistance training actually adds to you burning calories while you're just sitting there. So that's the great thing about lifting weights. It not only gives you the muscle shape, the depth, and the form, but it also helps your body to maintain its metabolism and also up it. So while you're just sitting there, you're burning calories. It just gives your body a whole new balance. One study showed that 10 weeks of resistance training can actually increase the metabolism by 7%. It can also stabilize your blood sugar levels and lead to almost 4 pounds of fat loss over time, just more than your average person. Also, one thing y'all always used to ask me about losing the 108 pounds and why I don't have a lot of loose skin, that resistance training was a big part of that. And another thing is those who lose weight with resistance training and their cardio mixed in are more likely to keep the weight off after weight loss has occurred. I started lifting the weights as soon as I started losing weight. I didn't just do cardio, I incorporated cardio with the weightlifting. So just get started by using your body. Do at home lifts, push-ups, planks, different things that get the body to resist even without using equipment. And when you're mixing in the cardio, aim for 20 to 40 minutes a day. Sometimes I might stack 20 minutes of cardio with 20 minutes of lifting. As long as I'm getting about 40 to 60 minutes of workout a day, then I'm pretty good. On days that I don't lift, I may do more cardio, so that also helps as well. With that cardio, you can do walking, running, jumping, the elliptical, stair climber. There are so many different things out there that are so fresh for us to do in terms of cardio. If you really can't use your legs, which many of you all have told me you can't do a lot of the knee exercises or things like that, just punch it out. Get your top and upper body moving just so that your body overall starts to feel that and you're getting a little bit more of that cardio and lifting those heart rates so that you're able to up your metabolism and lose them pounds. Now, I love my Ratchet TV schedule. I love my Netflix. I love all of it, just sitting around watching things that I ain't got no business watching. However, you cannot do that all the time and expect to lose weight. The summer seems to be the fun time that we want to lose the weight and look our best. However, a lot of the times it's the time that we gain a lot of weight because we're laying around and we don't have as much to do. If you're sitting in front of the TV and if you're like me watching Netflix and chilling, you have more of a probability of gaining weight because you'll lay down eating foods, probably not measuring them out. So if you're going to watch TV, don't allow yourself to eat mindlessly while sitting in front of it. A report published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that on average, those engaging in distracted eating or those that eat in front of television, they're more likely to eat 10% more. So in between my entertainment, I make myself move. That could be a walk, marching in place, nothing big. You don't have to plan out the world while you're watching the TV. If I'm going to spend a lot of time on my phone, like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, whatever, then I try to make myself move around while I have my phone in my hand as well. It's almost a punishment. So I know that I can't just lay there the whole time. If I'm going to sit on my phone, I need to be walking around. I need to be moving, whatever I need to do while I'm mindlessly engaging in something. It also makes sure that I'm getting a 2-for-1 special. Checking that Apple Watch, making sure I'm getting them steps in daily. You also feel like you're being productive while you're doing something you enjoy. Another thing that satisfied this for me is getting a bomb playlist. Instead of me wanting to sit in front of the TV all the time, maybe I want to listen to music. Music makes me want to jam out and move. I get to moving around, shaking my arms, shaking my legs, everything, and I'm burning calories. So while you might think it might not be nice to find a great playlist, baby, it gets you moving all day. And I have several that I've linked down below that you can find in my Spotify playlist. The next thing is to get your social schedule all the way together. You are what you eat and you're a reflection of who you hang around with. So look around at your reflections. Make dates with friends who are looking to start healthy eating habits or who already have healthy eating habits. If you're meeting up with them, you're less likely to engage in behaviors that sabotage your weight loss efforts. And instead of planning get-togethers that involve food or happy hours, do some things like hiking, exercise together, take a walk together, activities and moving around so that you're burning calories and you're sneaking in, getting a little weight loss going on. I know one cool thing that is really fun is trying a new exercise class with friends, especially when it involves dancing, where y'all can get up, get buck, have fun. It's a bonding experience, but you're also sweating, pumping, and moving and getting that weight off your body. And I'm not saying to throw shade at your friends that don't want to get healthy. However, if you stick to your guns and you just start doing things other than going out to eat and happy hours, they're going to respect your time and they might start to inquire about what you're doing and want to come along for the ride. You'll also look forward to these activity times and you'll keep yourself more accountable. And better yet, if you have friends involved, they'll keep you accountable. I also have some fast fixes for y'all. These are things that we hear all the time about weight loss, and even though we think we know, sometimes we forget to follow. The biggest thing is talk yourself down. Sometimes we look into the refrigerator for answers and end up coming up with unnecessary calories. Before heading to the refrigerator, figure out what it is you want and stick with it. And if nothing comes to mind, and if you're like me and you get to the refrigerator, you just be looking in there and questioning everything and your existence and everything that happens for the day, then you're probably not hungry, you're just bored. Relax and release your stress as much as possible. Self-care is what you make it. It's just sitting around, chilling and intentionally taking your time. You might turn your phone off for a little while. You might not talk to friends for a little while. You might just exclude yourself for a little while. But getting that self-care and building back up your energy makes it easier for you to get through workouts, do the things you love the most, and get more activities in, which is going to lead to less stress and to you losing more weight. Also, document what you consume. You can do this by writing it down or by keeping track of it on apps. And y'all already know this one, so, you know, come here, come here. Come a little bit closer, You know what I'm about to say. Drink yourself some water. Some of y'all pee is yellower and oranger than orange Kool-Aid. You know what? Your body can't even flush if you're not getting proper fiber and water levels. Water, water, water. We hear it all the time and still don't drink it. All of y'all that's sitting out there right now is like, if I heard one more time she say drink some more water, why you ain't drinking it? You keep hearing it and you know you need to drink it. Drink the doggone water. Put the soda down, drink the water. I hope you guys have learned a lot from today's video. It's been enjoyable. These were 5 sneaky ways that I think are gonna help you get that summer body snatched without you having to do a whole lot extra. So make sure you comment, share this video with someone who can use it, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Beautiful Brown Baby Doll. Peace.
Special thanks to Jason Bowie of Trinity Media Solutions for co-producing and filming today's video. His information can be found down below in the information section. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up.